there, my beautiful people. Thank you for showing up today. Welcome to the Naba's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing fantastic. So today I have a quick under 30-minute dinner for y'all. Even with a bonus recipe, we're making spaghetti with pesto. In the bonus recipe, we're going to be grilling, oven grilling that is, some cod. We're blackening the cod with our African Suya spice mix. Can't wait to begin. Let's cook, friends. For ingredients, we have fresh basil and parsley, fresh baby spinach, cherry tomatoes, roasted garlic, and we also have pecans, which can be substituted with walnuts, roasted peanuts, roasted pine nuts, almonds, or pistachios. All-purpose seasoning and crushed black pepper. The all-purpose seasoning may be substituted with 1 small bouillon cube. Lime, and you can also use lemon. Parmesan cheese, olive oil, spaghetti, and we're going to have a bonus recipe today to go with the spaghetti. So we're going to blacken some fish, and we're using cod. And for the blackening agent, I'm going to be using our African spice mix known as Suya. We have some boiling water on the fire. We've seasoned it generously with some salt. Now let's cook the spaghetti. And according to the box directions, I am to cook this 10 to 12 minutes for it to be al dente, so it's not overcooked. And so the trick is to first bring your well-seasoned water to a boil and then put your spaghetti in there, following the packaging directions in terms of the amount of time to cook it until it is al dente. While our pasta is cooking, we're going to throw the fish into the oven that is now preheating. Now, I have featured the recipe on how to prepare your Suya spice mix multiple times on this channel. And I've also left some details on how to put together a quick Suya spice mix in the description box. So please check it out. It's really easy. And here it goes onto the fish after I coat it with some olive oil. The Suya spice mix has a roasted peanut flour base, and then you add some paprika to it, some cayenne pepper, some African spices, some seasoning. I use some all-purpose seasoning in this one. It's really delicious, and it's seasoned, so you don't need to add any salt at all. Make sure that the fish is well coated with the olive oil and the blackening Suya spice mix. Place it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, and it should be all cooked and done. And moving right along, friends, with our dinner under 30 minutes, our pasta is perfectly cooked al dente. So drain it and pour it into your serving bowl. Drizzle some olive oil onto it and stir until all of them are coated with the olive oil so they don't stick together while they're waiting for the pesto preparation. All right, friends, so 15 minutes is where we're at into the preparation, the entire preparation. Now the time has come to prepare the pesto, and that's one thing I love about this preparation. Pesto does not involve any cooking, so let's do that. So in the food processor, I pour in my parsley and basil, followed by the spinach, as well as the roasted garlic, the pecans, and also my black pepper that I've crushed, as well as the all-purpose seasoning. I also drizzle in the juice of half a lime. You can use lemon in place of this. The citrus flavor, the acidity from there really helps to brighten the flavor. So, and I love that acidity. You kind of need it in here anyway. And then we're going to go in with some Parmesan cheese for some nuttiness. You can either grate it shave it, or you can cut it like I did. It's going into the food processor. It's going to be crushed anyway, so it doesn't matter really how you treat it. Now, one ingredient that I didn't include in the beginning is some pepper flakes. I like a little kick in my pesto, so I added half a teaspoon of pepper flakes. I also drizzled in some olive oil to give the food processor a head start, and as it starts to crush the ingredients in there, I drizzle in some more olive oil until I get my preferred paste-like consistency. So now let's check and see. There it is. I think we got it. Yes, this is the perfect texture for pesto. It needs to be like a paste. And when I tasted it, I realized that I did not need to add any salts to this at all. It's perfectly seasoned because the Parmesan cheese as well as my all-purpose seasoning. Now, if you do need to add some salt, obviously this is the time to do so. And now the pesto is ready to join the pasta. And the pasta at this point has been sitting for about 5 minutes, so it needs some sort of rejuvenation. So what I do is I pour in a ladle full of the warm pasta water into it just to loosen the pasta up a little bit. It will make it easier for the pesto to stick to each spaghetti. All right, so now the pesto is being poured into the pasta, and then we're going to stir it until each and every spaghetti strand is coated generously and evenly with this gorgeous pesto. Now, this pesto is such a clever way of introducing greens into your children's diet. I've also added some cherry tomatoes, which I halved, and that's also going to give us a pop of color and sweetness and a little bit of acidity. We are serving. How easy, how quick is this? And how nutritious, more importantly. Yeah, so serve it and then place your fish on top of it and dig in. That is all she wrote, friends and family. Easy, quick, under 30 minutes, nutritious, very gourmet, and absolutely, hands down, delicious. Dig in, friends. Just look at that. You're enjoying yourself, I know, so make sure you're giving me that thumbs up, friends and family. Friends and family, I thank you so much for joining us here in the Nanabe's Kitchen today. I hope you had fun. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. This dish is fresh, it is gourmet, it is nourishing and satisfying. Please make sure you make some for your family. I know you have the ingredients in your pantry and your fridge. Throw it down. Make it a great day, friends and family, and have fun, especially in that kitchen. You all know what time it is. Showtime. Oh, this thing is so good. It is too good.